Welcome to our video guide on managing filters for orders and customers on your website. Let's explore how to efficiently utilize the Filters tab in the admin area. After accessing the admin area of your website, navigate to the Settings and Filters tabs. Here, you can create predefined filters for both order and customer lists. Under the Orders tab, you can set search by sales channel and customize your filters for streamlined order management according to the following sections. In the Status Stock section, set order status filters for different order groups: new, processing, completed, and canceled orders. Create a selection of orders for a specific period or exact dates using the drop-down. Choose phone and physical orders. In the Delivery section, set order filters by country, state, or province. The Payment Shipping Methods section allows you to filter orders by payment and shipping methods, and set order filters based on totals. Now, move to the Customers tab to set filters for customer management. Here, you can also set search by sales channel and use searches by first name, last name, email, company name, phone number, and zip code. Filter customers by group, address, company, registration period, registration dates, status, and title. Select guest, regular, or all customers. Now that you've configured your filters, seamlessly apply them to enhance your workflow. Utilize these predefined filters when working with order lists under the Orders, Customers, and Orders tabs. Similarly, apply them to customer lists under the Orders, Customers, and Customers tabs. Using the filter capabilities, you can effectively manage and organize orders and customers on your website. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable guides.